PowerPoint by Roberta Blunter and Rebecca Walter will illustrate the 7 principles for good educational practice. These 7 principles include student-faculty contact, cooperation among students, active learning, prompt feedback, time on task, high expectations, and respecting diverse talents and learning styles. Mutual respect and communication between students and faculty is essential for any course, especially an online course, to be successful. Faculty can initiate this communication with a student-friendly introductory letter. Students will post introductions of themselves, and each student will respond to at least 5 of their classmates. After the initial introduction, instructors will offer a variety of opportunities for contact via email and cell phone, with clear standards for responding to messages. Faculty will also schedule video conferences with each student individually.
Goodbye from Vermont! Goodbye from Cleveland!
In an online course, all students should be required to communicate with one another. To ensure that this communication remains focused and thought-provoking, faculty should provide directed questions. These questions should also be designed to help motivate all students to continue the dialogue. It is important for faculty to provide activities that promote active learning, as this encourages understanding. Students can work together to collaboratively solve problems. This involves both sharing ideas and responding to the ideas of others. Prompt feedback is important in all courses, but especially in online courses. Faculty need to inform students and acknowledge their responses. This involves checking email regularly. Prompt feedback is important in all courses. In acknowledging students' email and assignment submissions, faculty should comment briefly, always respond with thank you, and, when appropriate, indicate when a more thorough response will be forthcoming. Students who ask questions in an email should receive information that includes both examples and models. Whether it occurs in person in a classroom or online, learning is always going to require time and effort. Assignments necessarily have deadlines, and students often tend to procrastinate. This can lead to feelings of being overwhelmed when assignment deadlines approach. While we as faculty cannot eliminate this problem, we can help remedy it somewhat. To do this, we need to provide clear assignment guidelines, break assignments into small segments that are easier to digest, communicate with students frequently as assignments progress, and provide flexibility when needed. It is important to recognize that students come from a diverse array of backgrounds. An assignment that might be exciting for one student would not necessarily be exciting and interesting for another. For assignment topics, faculty should provide a diverse array of choices and allow students to select the assignment topics on their own rather than randomly assigning topics. Knowledge on a topic and good understanding can be acquired in different ways. Learning styles differ between students, so students should be allowed to select assignments that are best fitted to their learning styles. To maintain a high standard of academic excellence, The use of the following is essential. Students need to understand rubrics and understand where their grades are coming from. Models of a variety of graded assignments should always be provided. Students should have peers evaluate their work samples, and they should have the opportunity to evaluate work samples from their peers. Assignments should come with templates, and case studies should be provided for students to learn to apply their knowledge. Following these 7 principles of effective teaching, we can provide students with a successful and enriching educational experience.